Hello everyone and welcome. I'm Emma, and I'm so happy you're here to learn some English with me today. We're going to explore 3 useful idioms all about taking action. These idioms will help you describe different ways people approach tasks and challenges. Let's get started. Our first idiom is bite the bullet. Imagine this. Long ago, before good medicine, soldiers sometimes had to undergo surgery without anesthesia. To cope with the pain, they would literally bite down on a bullet. So to bite the bullet means to face a difficult or unpleasant situation with courage and acceptance. Here's a story. Sarah really didn't want to go to the dentist. She knew she had a cavity, but she kept putting it off. Finally, the pain became too much. She knew she had to bite the bullet and make an appointment. It wasn't fun, but she felt much better afterwards. So, bite the bullet means to face a tough situation head-on. For example, I really don't want to work late tonight, but I have to bite the bullet and finish this project. Our next idiom is jump the gun. This comes from racing. When someone starts running before the starting gun fires, they've jumped the gun. It means to act too soon or prematurely. Let me tell you about David. David was so excited about his new job that he started telling all his friends about it before he even signed the contract. Then, the company changed its mind, and David didn't get the job after all. He definitely jumped the gun. To jump the gun means to act too quickly without thinking. Here's an example. The store jumped the gun and started their Christmas sale in October. Our third idiom is take the bull by the horns. Think of a brave cowboy facing a charging bull. He doesn't run away. He grabs its horns to control it. This idiom means to face a difficult situation directly and with courage. Here's a story about Maria. Maria's neighborhood had a serious problem with litter. Instead of complaining, she decided to take the bull by the horns. She organized a community cleanup day and got everyone involved. Take the bull by the horns means to confront a challenge bravely. For example, the company was losing money, so the new CEO decided to take the bull by the horns and make some tough decisions. Now, let's look at some vocabulary from our stories. Cavity. In Sarah's story, a hole in a tooth caused by decay. Example: the dentist found a small cavity during my checkup. Putting it off. In Sarah's story, to postpone or delay something. Example: I was putting off doing my taxes, but I finally finished them. Anesthesia, a substance that makes you unable to feel pain. Example: the doctor gave her anesthesia before the surgery so she wouldn't feel anything. Contract. In David's story, a written agreement. Example: make sure you read the contract carefully before you sign it. It relates to jumping the gun, because he should have waited until the contract was signed. Prematurely. In David's story, happening too early. Example: the baby was born prematurely. Litter. In Maria's story, trash that is lying around in public. Example: there was litter all over the park after the concert. Complaining. In Maria's story, expressing dissatisfaction or unhappiness. Example: instead of complaining about the weather, try to enjoy it. Confront. In Maria's story, to face a difficult situation or person. Example: I had to confront my fear of public speaking. All right, now for some speaking practice. Repeat after me. I had to bite the bullet and clean the messy garage. He jumped the gun and announced the news before it was confirmed. She decided to take the bull by the horns and start her own business. Great job! Let's quickly recap our idioms. Bite the bullet means to face a difficult situation with courage. Jump the gun means to act too soon or prematurely. Take the bull by the horns means to confront a challenge bravely. Thank you for learning with me today. I hope you found this lesson helpful. Try to use one of these idioms in a conversation today. You've got this. Goodbye for now.